what's up YouTube? Houston here, and this is my rabbit Susie. She don't like to be on camera that much. But today we're talking about how you can get 2 trade lines with 1 soft pull, okay? I did not say 2 trade lines with 1 hard pull. I said 2 trade lines with 1 soft pull. Now, where you would get that from is the credit union KeyPoint credit union, okay? KeyPoint credit union. Now, I know some of you guys may have heard of KeyPoint credit union, but the problem was with KeyPoint credit union, you had to be a Northern Cal resident, okay? Or Northern Cal employer or something like that. Well, there may be a back doorway for you to actually join KeyPoint. And a lot of people want to join KeyPoint because, again, you get 2 accounts with 1 soft pull. And that's very important. Plus, I'm going to tell you of 2 other financial institutions that offer the same thing, where you're able to actually look at what you qualify for before you actually accept it. Okay, so the first one, talking about KeyPoint Credit Union, where you had to be North California. You couldn't be Southern California, you couldn't be out of state unless you had a family member or a job or something that can invite you in. Well, again, the data points have changed with them. Now, the back door that happens, you may be able to join through the Financial Fitness Association. What do you want, Mama? You want to say hi again? You want to say hi? This is Susie. And so, I guess she wants some little attention. All right, there you go. There you go. All right. Now, again, with KeyPoint Credit Union, you have to be a North Cal resident or employer, but now you can join the Financial Fitness Association as a backdoor to join them. All right. Now, one of the things about it is that they will ask for proof of income. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people don't like that. You know, they're like, well, I don't want to show pay stubs or taxes or nothing like that. Well, in order to join them, you definitely may have to actually show proof of income. All right. Now, here's something else you need to know about them in terms of KeyPoint Credit Union. They pull Experian. Okay. So they will pull your Experian credit file. So I would suggest you have at least a 670 or higher credit score in order to join them. Okay. One of the nicest things about it, like I said, you can get 2 trade lines with 1 soft pull. So they usually offer you a car loan and a credit card. But you may be able to, can you qualify for a credit card and a line of credit or a personal loan instead of a car loan. So if you're able to join them, that's what I would probably go after. If I don't need a car loan, I would definitely try to go after the credit card and a personal loan to see if they allow that. That being said, there's another lender that you can possibly get multiple accounts for with 1 hard pull as well, and that's NASA Credit Union. Now, I did a full video review on NASA Credit Union, okay? And the way you join NASA Credit Union is through their National Space Society, okay? But you joining their National Space Society to get into NASA, all right? Now, again, this is another credit union. They will actually show you your approval, like your dollar amount approval for your credit cards and stuff before you actually apply. So it is a pre-approval, and that's the awesome thing about this. Now, one thing about NASA is, yeah, they use Experian, but here's the thing about it. They don't use your Experian FICO 8. They don't use your FICO 9. what they do, they use your actual mortgage score, okay? So they're going to use your Experian FICO 2 mortgage score. Now, some of you all like, wait a minute, I never even seen my Experian mortgage score. If you haven't and you want to see your actual Experian mortgage score, click the link in the description, okay? Click the link in the description. Pull your real credit file. If you need to schedule a one-on-one consultation so that I can teach you how to read it, then schedule a one-on-one consultation as well. Now, here's another financial institution that also gives you your pre-approval limit before you actually apply, okay? And that's the Apple Card, okay? The Apple Card does it as well. Now, the Apple Card, they are a FICO 9, all right? They're FICO 9 TransUnion. Now, it's through Goldman Sachs, okay? So, Goldman Sachs is the financial institution. Now, for some of you all know that I've made a video about GM business credit cards that pull TransUnion FICO 9. The reason I like FICO 9 accounts or banks that offer FICO 9 scoring and stuff is because you can add rent payments, you can add utility payments, you can add subscription payments to your credit file to help build up your credit score. All right, so that's the reason I tell people you really should take advantage of your FICO 9 credit score. All right, reference to KeyPoint Credit Union. They offer business accounts, all right? And that's another good thing about it. They do offer business accounts as well as business credit cards, okay? So if I'm going to be double dipping or triple dipping, I want to make sure I'm with a financial institution that's going to offer me both a personal credit card and a business credit card. Now, again, on the business credit card, with most credit unions, I need you to understand this, is that with most credit unions, when it comes to business credit card, many of them are geographical, okay? So if you're not in that geographic location where they actually reside, then they may not give you a business credit card, but you definitely can get a personal credit card through most credit unions and stuff like that. That's the reason I try to share those data points with you, because yeah, one of the things that most people do, they probably garden. And what that means that you would open up a business checking account and a personal checking account and wait about 60 to 90 days and then apply for a credit card. But it's totally up to you if you want to go that way. But in terms of when you trying to get 2 accounts with 1 soft pull, then I would definitely check out KeyPoint Credit Union as well as NASA Credit Union, and I would probably go for the Apple credit card because they actually give you your credit limits up front before you actually pull the trigger and apply. All right, so this is Houston with 3-Way Funding. I apologize if the video was too long, but at the same time, I wanted to make sure you have the right data point. So if you have any other questions, click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.